Want to browse the web without straining your eyes? Here's how to turn on dark mode for every website. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Click on the three dots in the top right corner, then go to Settings. From the left sidebar, select Appearance. Now, turn on the dark theme. This will change Chrome's interface to dark, but to make every website dark, we'll enable a hidden setting. In the address bar, type chrome://flags and press Enter. In the search box at the top, type dark mode. You'll see an option called Auto Dark Mode for web contents. Click the drop-down menu next to it and select Enabled. Then, click Relaunch at the bottom right corner to restart Chrome. Now, every website you visit will automatically appear in dark mode, even if it doesn't officially support it. And that's it. You've successfully enabled dark mode for all websites in Chrome. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick browser tips.